The iPhone 15 Pro was introduced by Apple in September 2023 as its new high-end flagship smartphone. It features a number of new features and improvements over the previous model, including a new design with contoured edges and a customizable action button, a more advanced 48MP main camera system with the new super high-resolution 24MP default, next-generation portraits with focus and depth control, improvements to night mode and smart HDR, and an all-new 5x telephoto camera exclusively on the iPhone 15 Pro Max. A faster A17 Pro chip with a new 6-core GPU and a faster neural engine. A new optical image stabilization system that includes an autofocus 3D sensor shift module for clearer photos. A USB-C connector with super-fast transfer speeds. One of the new features that is not immediately obvious is the inertia change. This is a design change that makes the iPhone 15 Pro feel lighter than it actually is. This is because the weight is more evenly distributed throughout the phone, and the center of gravity is lower. This makes the phone feel more balanced and less likely to tip over. Overall, the iPhone 15 Pro is a significant upgrade over the previous model with a number of new features and improvements. It is the most advanced iPhone that Apple has ever made, and it is sure to be a popular choice for consumers. How does the inertia change make the iPhone 15 Pro feel lighter? The inertia change is a subtle change in the design of the iPhone 15 Pro that makes it feel lighter than it actually is. This is because the weight is more evenly distributed throughout the phone, and the center of gravity is lower. When you hold an object in your hand, you are essentially balancing it against the force of gravity. The center of gravity is the point where the weight of the object is evenly distributed. If the center of gravity is high, the object will feel heavier and more likely to tip over. If the center of gravity is low, the object will feel lighter and more stable. Apple has lowered the center of gravity of the iPhone 15 Pro by moving the internal components around. This makes the phone feel more balanced and less likely to tip over. It also makes the phone feel lighter because you don't have to work as hard to balance it against the force of gravity. In addition to lowering the center of gravity, Apple has also made the weight of the iPhone 15 Pro more evenly distributed. This means that there is no one area of the phone that is significantly heavier than the others. This makes the phone feel lighter because you don't have to support the weight of the phone in one spot. Overall, the inertia change is a small but significant change in the design of the iPhone 15 Pro that makes it feel lighter and more balanced. This is a welcome change for users, as it makes the phone more comfortable to hold and